Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to this new amazing tutorial. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can reset a WordPress website to its default installation. So before showing you that, please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, okay? And if you already have subscribed to our channel, then thanks, okay? So for doing that, simply log into your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, and from plugins we are going to add a new plugins. Simply click on add new for adding a new plugin, okay? And from here search plugins, type here WP reset, okay? WP reset, and we're going to install a reset plugin. You can see that this plugin by Web Factory Limited, okay? So simply click on install now, and you can see that this is already installed, okay? And after that, simply click on activate, and you can see that from here we can easily go to this plugin settings page. Simply click here, okay? And from here we can reset the WordPress website. I just want to see this, so simply click here. You can purchase the pro version, but I don't want to see this again, so I'm simply clicking here, okay? And from here just scroll down below, and from here you have to type and reset. You can see that this is our website, but we want to make it the default WordPress installation, okay? So simply type here reset, R-E-S-E-T, reset, and from here click on reset, and then reset WordPress, okay? And you can see that it's resetting our WordPress website. Let's go and visit our site. Just reload this and you'll see that everything is now default, okay? This is the theme that we get after installing the WordPress manually, okay? And let's see that we don't have any post here, we don't have any pages here, everything deleted, okay? And if I again click here reset, if you want to if you click on tools from here, you can see that here are lots of different pro versions available. You can delete the transients. I'm just simply clicking here, delete transients, all transients, okay? And you can also purge the cache, etc. You can delete the local data, you can delete all themes. I'm just simply deleting all the themes, okay? You can delete the plugins, okay? You can do a lot of things, okay? So that's how easy it is to reset a WordPress website. I'll simply reload this, okay? Friends, that you can see that I have deleted my themes. That's why it's looking like that, okay? So let's go and again click on WP reset, and then again click on reset, and then again come here and type here reset, and then reset site, and then reset WordPress. This is going to again give us the default WordPress installation, okay? Just reload this. You can see that it tells us the theme directory 2020 does not exist, so we have to install the default theme first. So simply go on appearance, and from here click on themes, and then click on add new. Simply click on add new. So resetting a WordPress website is so easy, but if you delete any theme, then you can easily reset like this, okay? So simply click on install, and then activate this, activate, and so let's see that right now it's successfully reset the WordPress website, okay? So that's all for today. See you in the next video tutorial. If you really like this, then please give a thumbs up to the like button, and if you face any problem and if you have any questions, then comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting these types of WordPress related tutorials and more programming related tutorials. So see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.